Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Metapixel on Shopify for accurate ad tracking step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin account. In the sidebar, navigate to the online store section. Click on Preferences in the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section. If you don't have the Metapixel already created, visit the Meta Events Manager to create one. Copy the Pixel ID provided in the Events Manager. Return to your Shopify admin and paste the Pixel ID into the designated field. Ensure that the Pixel status is enabled. Next, scroll down and click on Save to apply your changes. Now, head over to your Facebook Ads Manager. In Ads Manager, select the ad account you'll be using with your Shopify store. Click on the Events Manager in the main menu. Locate the pixel you just set up. Use the Test Events feature to verify your pixel is working correctly. Visit your Shopify shop front in a new tab to trigger the pixel. After visiting your store, return to the Events Manager. Check if your visit has been recorded in the Events section. If the events are being tracked, your pixel setup is successful. For further optimization, consider setting up custom events. This can help you track specific actions, such as purchases or signups. Return to your Shopify admin to ensure that all product pages are properly integrated with your pixel. You're now all set to utilize accurate ad tracking for your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.